सैमसंग कंपनी ने एक और नए मॉडल का सेलफोन बाजार में लाया है। जी हां, 6 अगस्त 2015 को सैमसंग A8 सेलफोन का बाजार में लॉन्च हुआ, जिसकी कीमत 32,000 रुपये से ज़ायद रखी गई है। इस नए मॉडल के सेलफोन में कई फीचर्स भी मौजूद है। इस सेलफोन को ग्राहकों की पसंद भी माना जा रहा है।
Versions, one is the gold, one is the black, one is the white. These are the devices. To describe a bit more about these, as I mentioned, the Galaxy A8 as well is a full metal unibody. It provides the slimmest form factor in our entire portfolio of Galaxy smartphones. So the A8 is a mere 5.9 millimeters of slimness. A very interesting and a very powerful fact is, as you see this device, I turn off the screen right now, this huge real estate is maximum screen, is maximum display. And that's possible by virtue of, if you look at the left and the right side, and you will get to experience the handsets shortly in the experience zone behind, the bezel spaces give pixel. They come with an f1.9 aperture, which basically lends towards great low light imaging capture. So in conditions of after hours or dusk or low light conditions, could be as this over here, great on low light capture. We all understand that selfies and Wi-Fis, if we were to call it, is a range and is a very prevalent trend across all consumer segments. No doubt, the A8 excels on this frontier expectedly. The front camera is capable of giving you a 120-degree wide-angle viewing selfie image.